Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Recently Dixie Plates released a few new stamping plates and I purchased two of them from the UK EU stockist Nail Stamping Queen UK. I will be bringing the other stamping plate to my channel very soon. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dixie Plate stamping plate Lots of Leaves. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a mint green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. For all of these swatches I will be removing any excess I pick up before stamping down. This is a lovely large leaf image and you could add things like some flowers or berries just to add something different, but a really nice image. For the next swatch I'll be using a mustard coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now when I work with browns, as I've said before, I always try to work much quicker as they have a tendency to dry really quickly. I don't know why browns do this, but these two leaf images are again really nice, and again you could add extra things to these. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a caramel brown stamping polish. Not a colour combo I use much of, but trying to use autumnal colours. But the stamping polish colour will be great for autumnal leaf manis. I forgot I had this colour, but it works great with both of these images. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now when this is swatched you'll see that some of the little dots haven't completely swatched. That's more than likely me scraping too quickly. But to remove this you could add something different. Take a gold stamping polish and add them into the little dots so you have like a red and gold ombre dot instead. Something really different. For the next swatch I'll be using an orange coloured nail tip along with a copper brown stamping polish. Now when the copper brown goes over the orange it has a red tone to it which really comes through, so it will work really well with any leaf designs or autumnal leaf manis, but again a really nice swatch. For the next swatch I'll be using a grey coloured nail tip along with a black stamping polish. By using the black it's outlined the image really well, because as with some of the others I've shown you could very easily add some extra colour to them and you could use any colour you like. I really like this image and I almost used it for my mani. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Dixie Plates Lots of Leaves. Dixie Plates stamping plate Lots of Leaves is just that, lots of leaf images. There is 49 images in total, but I've only taken 36 swatches. This is because some of them have more than one image on the pop stick. Again, I've really only used autumnal colours to create them, but using lots of leaves from spring, summer and into autumn as well, there's a lot of leaves to choose from. There is a mix of small to large designs, but also a mix of fully coloured images and then just the line images. So it's really nice to have such a mix of leaf designs all on one plate. As always, I've only used my usual stamper and my clear jelly stamper stamping polishes to create these swatches. They both work super well with Dixie Plate stamping plates and I rarely get any issues. They also release released another autumn stamping plate for this year, and that would work really well alongside Lots of Leaves. I didn't purchase it because I already have quite a few autumn inspired stamping plates and I don't really use them very much, but I knew that Lots of Leaves had to be in my collection. There is so many possibilities with Lots of Leaves. I've seen on Dixie Plate's Instagram page and Facebook group so many different ways to use this brilliant stamping plate. It's what I feel is a must-have stamping plate in anyone's collection. The quality of Dixie Plate stamping plate is one of the best on the market. I will be bringing the second plate to my channel very soon, which is the Halloween plate, which I'm just so excited for. I love autumn and the winter months with the darker colours. So for this mani, as I said, I've went for something a different style this time. So I've used a cherry burgundy gel polish as my base on all of the nails. On 3 of the nails I've added some of the leaf designs using 2 different stamping polishes, a rose gold and a molten silver. I love the difference between them, but they work well together. And then on the other 2 nails I've added some rose gold platinum gel polish as a glitter fade. I love how this has turned out. Something different but very autumnal. Absolutely love it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plate's Lots of Leaves. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!